So, Trippy Ray here, aka H-Town Piper. We got a short little video here. I ordered a visor light from the SpeedTech lights, the same one that company that Tyler used for his LEDs. So we wanted to do a quick review. I haven't opened the box yet, so we will check this out. Man, this knife is way too big for that.
Yeah, I know you're not
I'm
comfortable.
supposed to be gutting something right now, you know, like
I know you're not.
a box.
I know you're not comfortable with big things.
Man, they screwed me with the peanuts. Yes. We got a sticker. So I ordered a blue clear version of it, and the reason I went with the visor light is I was getting tired of. I have like several dash lights with the suction cup mounts, and you know, you put them up there for a while and the sun deteriorates the suction cups, the thing falls down, you got to clean the windshield all the time. It was just getting annoying. I don't use my lights that much, so I figured I'd get a visor light. You know, it straps up on the visor, you flip it down when you need it. So hopefully this thing works pretty good. And now I got to make a giant mess. Okay, yes. Oh, I hate when they use these. Right. Another box. Oh yeah. So there we go. Comes with the cigarette plug cord, some fuses, and yeah, we've gone green. Check your email. They send you the directions in your email. So let me take it out of the bag real quick so you guys can get a look at it. It's got some plastic over the thing, but I got blue clear, and it's got straps on the other side to attach it. So I'm going to look over the instructions, we'll install it, and let you guys see how it works. Flash pattern so far.
How many flash patterns, Ray?
I'm up over 23 now.
Oh shit.
So it's like 24 patterns. It's, dude, the thing is super fucking bright.
Which one are you picking?
I don't know yet. We're gonna go through them, and you can.
And that still has the blue tint over it. So
yeah,
imagine when that comes off, how bright it'll actually be.
Dude, for a visor light, that's kick ass.
Yeah, it is.
Jesus, I didn't expect. You know, I didn't.
How much did you pay for that?
What was it? 50. I have to look at the thing. I think it was like 59 bucks or something.
Okay.
Cheap. It wasn't expensive. So let's see if we can get this thing to wrap it up on here.
Yeah, you always gotta wrap it.
I always do. Can't say the same for everybody.
Hey, do you think that the lights will distract them from your crooked side steps, right?
I refuse to answer that. I can't really see how that looks. I gotta kinda... How does that look on there? Does it need to be centered?
Kind of looks like you a little crooked.
Yeah, the other side.
Oh shit, there's a shooting star.
Yeah, I saw him.
I wonder if I got that on camera.
I don't know.
What?
There was a shooting star behind your truck. I think I might have got it on camera.
Did you make a wish?
Yes. Now I did.
Is it straight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drooping a little. Oh, now we're peeled fresh. How's it look?
Good, it's blowing out the camera a little bit, but that's pretty bright.
Right. What pattern you going with?
Don't know yet.
That's pattern 1, as you can see. Or maybe you can't see. There you go. That's a better shot there. So we'll get back to you once he picks a pattern. Okay.
24 of them.
Yep, I can see the
Tell
one.
me which one you think is
Okay.
faster. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, that one's bright. Yeah, any of those ones, honestly. I gotta zoom out a bit to.
That's pretty crazy too. That's like a random.
I think I like 6.
Look, we're whackers.
Mm-hmm. Keep going. That one's big garbage. Nah, keep going. Nah. 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 Nah.
California steady burn.
Nah. Okay, that's all. I'm going to 6. I think 6 was the best. 2 more. There you go.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fast.
I'm like fucking blind though, because I've been
So,
staring at
right
her.
there is Visor light. That's pretty badass. Oh wow. Yeah, dude, if you can't see that,
What do you think, Ray?
I think it's awesome for the money. I'm gonna go check real quick so I can.
How was the install?
Easy, just Velcroed on the back. So it's got 24 flash patterns. It's super bright. I mean, and it was inexpensive, and it just, you know, I flipped the visor up and it's out of the way. Don't have to worry about it falling down.
Nice.
So in conclusion, this light cost me from SpeedTech cost me about $59.99. I think I paid about $14 in shipping. They're out of Texas. Great light. And SpeedTech's not a sponsor of ours, but a great company, and I'd say check them out if you're looking for LED lights. This will get some usage for us on the squad, so catch you guys later.
Hold on, no. Do it again.
Catch you guys later.
I can't see the thumb. Do it again.
Catch you guys later.
Running JP, turn me up. Tell all my competition that I love them, but I brought them back just to kill them.
I'd like to talk for a minute about them at Dave.